Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check it out. This is the truck I was telling you about. This is a 2004 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Beast, 5.9 liter Cummins. Probably gonna say, you know, come in your butt. Yeah. Anyways, check this truck out, guys. It's Beast. Super freaking clean. And I mean, like, really, really clean for this truck for this year. I put brand new clear housing headlights in it. Super, super nice. Look at the paint. Paint's great shape. Underside, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous on the bottom. Behind these big, massive 35, 1250, 18-inch tires, TOYO open countries, you would normally see a lot of rock chips. Not today. Very few, if any. All the fender wheels are in great shape right here. The frame's in great shape. Look at that. It's got a Skyjacker lift kit on it, suspension lift kit. And like I said, these are 35, 1250, 20-inch TOYO tires wrapped around a set of 18-inch Pro Comp wheels. Super nice looking. There's the underside right there. It's got a fifth wheel attachment on it right there, so the bed's equipped with that. You get your bug shield there if you want to put it on or not. The roof's in good shape. Move around to the back. It's got a full exhaust on it, full 4-inch exhaust. Here's the back of the truck, backup camera. It's got a trailer brake, and you can just see it's in great shape. The exhaust, that's normal for the exhaust to turn that color and stuff like that from, you know, surface rust and crap. Those are like that, but all the other stuff's really in great shape. Back of the under the most famous side where the rocks spit up, look, super clean, super duper clean. I would say the lift is fairly new, not too old, based on, you know, how the rest of the truck looks. B&W right there, gooseneck hitch, toner ball, gooseneck hitch. There you go. Here's the gas flap, my favorite spot to examine. Look at that, nice and clean, fellas. And the best part about this truck that I love, check this out. So, I love the two-tone seats, suede with a beautiful leather. It's gorgeous. Feels nice on your back, feels nice on your ass. Flip this up, boom! JL Audio, 12-inch subwoofer on both sides. Look at that, boom! JL subwoofer on both sides, guys. How do you like that? The carpet's a little stained in some spots. It's got amplifiers. You can only see it under that seat and under that seat. And door jambs are in great shape. It's got the flip-up Dodge mirrors, of course, heated. So, I'm gonna start it up, see how you guys like it. Hope you like this video. Check it out. Ready? Watch this. 5.9 liter. We're gonna do a comparison. A guy had a good question. We're gonna do a comparison side to side from the every generation Cummins next week. So this one, and they all have the same stuff done to them. And go figure, they're all white. So we're gonna do comparisons, how they sound, acceleration, comparing them. Hope you guys like this. Here's the door jambs, the VIN number. Look at the door jambs in great shape. You get a little bit of wearage right here from people getting in and out. Seat covers are in great shape. No rips, no tears. You got your Dodge emblem embroidered into the seat on both sides. It's really kick-ass. This truck has, hold on, let me show you. Where's the beep thing button? Truck has, God dude, you kidding me? Oh, you just gotta open the door to start. Watch this, ready? Boom. 139,286 miles. No sunroof. Pop the hood, show you guys what's under the hood. This is a thorough seat, so it flips up to a third bench seat right there. Console / bench seat. Pioneer doubled in with backup camera. Heated seats, guys. You don't see that often. Passenger and driver heated seats in this Dodge Cummins. How do you like me now? How do you like me now? It's just a really good truck. Super nice. One of the cleanest I've seen. Skyjacker suspension lift kit, like I was telling you. Super nice. Really nice truck. I'm in love with this damn thing, and it sounds and drives great. Nothing like reliability and solid truck. There's really nothing to. You pump the hood of a 5.9. It's all that's there is an inline 6-cylinder block. Boom! Right at you, coming straight at you. Super nice K&N cold air filter intake system. Yeah, let me start it up. Show you guys what's going on. You guys might like this. You guys just might like this. You guys just might like this. So start it up, show you guys what's going on. Ready? Yeah, it's cold out here. Holy moly. Super nice truck, guys. Ready? Check this out. Trailer is your trailer brake system. here we go. Let's go listen to it. I've been working on trying to make my videos short. Sounds so nice. So I'm gonna drive off and hope you guys like it. Listen, ready? So here we are. I'm gonna drive off and hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna drive off into the sunset. Ready? Drive off into the sunset. So you guys can hear it all. Get you guys a good shot right there. All right, this is Mark signing out. Peace out. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe. Holler at me.